Hi guys, welcome back to my channel YO. My name is ZOMEi and this is my journey in doing new things, trying new things, and sharing some first times with you. So this time, this video, I'm actually going to do an unboxing of some stuff that I ordered from Amazon. This is my first unboxing video. I'm not sure if I'll do another one, but the only reason I am including this in like the series of videos that I'm doing on this YouTube channel is because it is a part of my journey in creating this channel. I decided that I'm going to start this channel, try to commit to this channel. That requires me doing videos. So I did order my ring light on Amazon. So when I was on there, I'm searching, looking at stuff, and then 4 or 5 items later in your cart, I'm ready to check out. So there's some things that I ordered in this box. I'm not even sure, but I'm sure they were on sale, or I felt like I needed it or whatever at the time. But I know my ring light's in there, and that is what this video is about. Unboxing my ring light. So mail is here, right? Don't you like it when your doorbell goes off and they're like, you got the delivery. Or you come home to a delivery, right? It's the best. Anyway, I am just going to open them real quick. It's not going to be a long video whatsoever. Should have got like a bigger table. Let me stop rambling because I could do that forever. So here's the beauty LED light that's in here. I'm sure you can buy bigger ones. I was thinking about buying like a 12 or it was a 12-inch rim ring, but I didn't want to do that. One, because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it, how much I want to invest in this, and the things that I'm going to use it for. I really don't need that much light. I'm not doing like a or anything. It's just me sharing my experience through my eyes, and it's this much. So this size was perfect. So this is, I think, 8 inches that I ordered. 7. I'm sorry. This is 7. So this is what it is. Comes with an adjuster for different lights. I know there are 3 different colors with several different shades within the colors, so we'll see how that works out. There is a clasp that holds your phone. And I'm thinking something else. I thought this was the phone one, but I will figure out once I read the directions. Gotta start there first, right? And, it comes with a tripod. So when I figure this out and know how to work it and set it up, I will come back on here and show you the difference. So as promised, I'm going to show you what the ring light looks like. So let's give this a go. Here's the on, just the general light. I probably should have not attached my phone. Oh, okay, that's probably better to do it this way. I attached my phone to the attachment already that is part of the ring light, so and I don't have that 100% yet, so I have to make adjustments as I'm showing you this. So I can change this. Alright, so this is like getting brighter in one shade, darker in the same shade, right? Now if I change, this is a different mode. This is mode 2. And I can go higher in this one. The low in this one as well. And then the third one is more like a warmer look. Sorry. And that's what lighting does to you. Then you could go back down on this one. So I will show you again really quickly the 3 different tones. So I'll show you really quickly again the 3 different lights. 1, 2, 3. And again, you can go brighter in each one. So far, so good. Once I get everything else up and together, I can play around with these lights. And become more familiar with this. So I think right now what's gonna work best, especially since I have a background light, would be this one. Now if I cut all light sources out and just use this light, let's see what happens. So this is with no natural light whatsoever. All I did was close the blinds in this particular office and room, and that's what I have. So if I turn on my ring light, okay, get the confessional Real Housewife of hip hop and R&B, making the bands lightings right here. And then here's the other light too. Oh, this is really too warm. So I'm sure that's for when there is a background light. And then you have this one. So it's not bad. So thank you for watching my video of my unboxing of my ring light. It's a simple video. Again, I only did this because I wanted to share the experience of unboxing a part of what would add to my further journey in this YouTube world. So thank you again for watching. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for liking. And remember to share and hit that notification button so that you get updates on when I post new videos and share new things. Deuces.